Okay, so first we are going to access the oil drain plug. This is coming from the passenger side. You will see there is a black metal protector here. Stamped on it, it says remove for oil change. There are 3 bolts. Each of them are 10 millimeters. Yes, 10 millimeter. And you will see here is bolt number 1, number 2, and number 3. You remove that, and that will expose the oil drain plug. So now here we see the exposed oil drain plug right up here. It is a 15 millimeter plug there, so just a 15 millimeter socket. That is it. Okay, so now we're going to show you how to get to the oil filter. There are 4 of these little bolts. They have the number 40 Torx star bit, number 40, just 1, 2, 3, 4. You take those off, and there you have it. So now you see that we have removed that piece, and you can access the oil filter here. It is a horizontally mounted oil filter, as you see there, the little white guy. So this was a little challenging to get my arm in there and to loosen it. I ended up going from a top-down approach. If you have a better way to get it, let me know in the comments. And you can see there is a plastic dish underneath there, and that catches any spilled oil, so it does not get all over the place, which is pretty nice. And yeah, that is it.